Technical SEO. What is it and how do we get it? And do we really need it? I'll answer the last question first. Yes, it's essential if you want the search engines to be able to find your site. Do we need it? Absolutely. What is it? A non-technical definition would be, let's say, the things in the background of your site that help your search engine know what's going on in the foreground. Some examples might be the title tag, or an image description, or a meta tag, or even your sitemap. Now we know what it is and that we definitely need it. How do we get it? Most people shy away from it because they feel they need a developer. But it's not always necessary to have a developer when you're just starting out and you want to do a few things that can help improve your site. I'll show you how with some simple improvements to my site, Marketing Mott, and social media consulting. So one thing you can do is add some internal links from one page of your site to another. So as you can see on my blog page, I talk about how to use Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. So what I'm going to do is on our social media analysis page, we actually have more in-depth analysis of how one company, Dove, used these platforms. So I'm going to go back to this original page of my blog. I'm going to edit it to add links from the word Facebook back. So I just simply do that. I highlight Facebook, I add insert link. It asks me if I want to do a URL. I don't. I want to go link to an existing content, which is my social media analysis page, and add link. I'm going to do the same thing to YouTube because we also have information about how to use YouTube there. So I'm going to put the link here, link it to that page, add link, and we also have information on how to use Instagram on that page. So I'm going to do it for that as well. I'm going to add the link, and there we go. So there we have it. I'm going to I'll update this. And then as soon as it says it's updated, we'll view the site and make sure that it worked. So here we are on the blog page. It is highlighted and it seems to have worked. It took me to that page. I'll go back and I'll check each one. YouTube, that worked, and Instagram. Adding internal links like this help to improve the SEO for your site. And as we saw, it's something you can pretty easily do without the help of a developer. Another thing that you may be able to also do is improve your search engine optimization by using title tags, meta tags, alt text tags. So we're going to try to do that on the WordPress site. Now this is a free version of WordPress. So a lot of people will tell you to use plugins, but as you can see with the free version, that's not available. You have to upgrade to the business plan to install plugins. So we are slightly limited because in the settings, as you can see, you can do the title, but if I typed in something here, and I'll just type in this, for example, and I'll save it, and you can see when we go back into view the site, gigantic. Now, I can edit that. However, if I edit that, it'll edit all of my headings, and that'll kind of change the way the site looks, and I'm not sure that I want to do that for this. So we're going to try to do it a slightly different way. I can show you how to update titles for some of our media. So here we have an image that I have on my social media analysis page, and I'm going to edit that. So you can easily do this. So you can add a title. Right now it just says playlist. Well, that doesn't really tell our search engines what exactly it is. So what I'm going to type in here is a YouTube example, or YouTube playlist example rather. And then for our alt text tag, I'm going to say YouTube playlist from Dove. And that gives our search engines a little bit of an idea about what this image really is. So I'm going to save that. Actually, playlist should be one word up here, so I'm just going to edit that real quick. Okay, and then I'm going to hit done. So now when we go to the site and we can see that image on the page, if we go to the social media analysis page, let's say don't restore, we're going to scroll down and there's our image. So now when a search engine's crawling this page, they're going to be able to tell what that picture is, whereas before they wouldn't be able to do that. It's a good idea when you're doing that as well to try to use your keywords. So that page was about social media, so YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. So obviously I wanted to get the keyword YouTube in there because that pertains to social media, which what the page was about. That also helps your search engines understand, okay, well, yeah, YouTube pertains to social media, so it's makes sense that that's on that page. If you're not using the free version of WordPress, you can certainly go in and update your headers and your meta tags. But unfortunately, in the free version, there's no way to do that. So I can't show you how to do that. But again, if you were to do that on your website, make sure to use your keywords as naturally as you can in your descriptions and your tags that you're using. I hope this video on the Technical SEO Basics was helpful for you and your company. Good luck! I'm Larissa Mott. Thanks for listening.